Now, how do you save Google website offline on the iPad? Let's get started with this. So if you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, if you are using the Google browser like the Chrome, and if you want to save some websites for offline reading, here is what you need to do. So you can just have any website open, and in there in the top right corner, just tap on the share button for more options to appear. You can then click on the more button and find the print option. When you click on this, it will try to connect to an actual printer, but we are not going to just physically print it out. We just want to make sure that this print option turns our website into a PDF. So right now, in this window, we need to tap on the share button again. And this is now, as you can see, a PDF document. So this can be saved in various different places, most commonly to the Files app. So you can click on a Save to Files. And this website is now a PDF document, which is part of your local iPad storage. So you can access it inside of the Files app anytime you want. You can read it, you can perform some changes on it. You can even write your notes because it's a regular PDF file, right? So this is the best way I do it personally, because outside of that, you can of course just save the website to your reading list like that and do a bunch of different things like that. But it's not really the case for me. I don't really do it that much, right? So part of your reading list, you can see that you can go in there and browse it later. It will probably save it for the offline reading as well. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the method which I use personally. But that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later.